which is one of the Mumbai's largest foundation work going on. So this is the foundation in which 400 tons of steel is used, and the concrete is going about 3600 cubic meter, which is in process right now. Just like buildings should have the strong foundation, so we are working on it. The sheer volume of this project makes it unique. It is a very large and huge project.
We have provided best-in-class safety standard at Bhakti Park, Wadala site. For that, we are continuously giving training to staff, laborers on various topics, created safe access by tower scaffold and medical facilities we have put at site by providing doctor at site.
जैसे लेबर आता है, मेरा सिक्योरिटी रहता है, उसको हम लोग इन्फॉर्म किया हुआ है। सब लेबर को पहले तुम सेफ्टी शूज ये सब देख के तब साइड पे भेजने का। वो सिक्योरिटी अपना पूरा चेक करता है।
There is a very huge quantity of concrete is going this raft because this is a very muddy area. So that design is like that. There is two heights of raft height is provided in two range. One is a 2.25 and another is a 2.5 meter height.
As you can see, the columns have been erected and the casting is in progress right now. And it's an enormous structure. It's a huge.
Yeah, actually, it was really a great challenge because the pore size is very big, around 36,000 cubic meter. And because of the space constraint, we have limited storage area for our raw material. So arrange all the raw materials in time and supply as per the site requirement it was really big challenge.
The logistic challenges, RMC, arrangement of RMC, arrangement of the pumps, timings, day working, night working, everything. So the planned schedule for the casting of this is around 2 days and 1 night. Accordingly, we organize for this material part, the pumps arrangement and all.
No, actually, so far we have not done such a big pour in one go. We have done around 2/3 of this quantity, but this is a largest pour for our means in our past 10 years experience.
Grade of concrete which we are using in this raft is M45, and this is a temperature control concrete, ice concrete we are providing. This is a mixture of 50% of cement and GGBS. 10 meter by 10 meter. After pouring of the concrete for monitoring the temperature in the raft, we have provided sensors in this raft at 10 different locations.
We are doing basement waterproofing here with HDPE membrane. HDPE membrane is being used here for laying. It is called pre-applied membrane. Just before laying the concrete and binding steel, we lay the membrane here.